Hello, Jay. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke with Erin and I told her that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use yourself today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. Here I am on the Kennedy Carpet homepage. I can see that some time and or some money was spent into this site. It does look very professional and it's user-friendly, easy to navigate. However, as I'm scrolling through, I'm not seeing a lot of content. Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. I did a word counter search and you currently have 497 words, so I would suggest adding in some more content here. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. In addition to having enough good content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. And so Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for it. Right over here, a good example of a keyword is water damage Quincy MA. This keyword brings in over 100 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one single keyword. Beneath the search bar, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads can be a great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition. They're also great when you want to promote a special event or offer that you have going on. They can also be a good fast leads option while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. Beneath the ads, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is extremely important. It can produce huge amounts of revenue. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp, Angie's List, HomeAdvisor, all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are here. Also be careful when you're entering your information into these directories that it looks identical down to every last character to the information on your Google business profile in order for it to be counted as a citation. Beneath the map pack, we have our organic search results. Now, this should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. Now, in addition to having good content in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And so you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered relevant sites. For example, if a local plumbing company with a powerful site were to give you a backlink, that would be a really good way to bring more power to your site. Over here, I have hopped onto SEMrush. SEMrush is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It does cost me around $300 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. And so here I've typed in your website, and I've pulled up the keywords that you are ranking for. Right now you're ranking for around 2,100 different keywords. And so here we'll list all the keywords that you're ranking for, what position you hold for that keyword on Google, what percent of traffic it brings you, and how many people search for that keyword every month. So now I have them ranked by volume, but I can also rank them by the amount of traffic that they bring in as well. And so here I can take a look and see which keywords are bringing you the most traffic. I can see that almost all of them have your name, the ones that are bringing you at least 4% or more of your traffic. So it would be a little hard for someone to find you if they weren't already looking for you in the first place. You generally want to add in buyer intent keywords that are location specific. So something like the keyword water damage Quincy, MA. That would be a good example of a buyer intent keyword. Here, this is a good one. Carpet cleaning Plymouth, MA brings in 110 searches per month, and you are ranking number 2 for that. But you want to add in more like those so that people in your area could find you when they need to use one of your services. So now I'm going to go back and take a look at your domain overview. And so right now, SEMrush is telling me that you have 5,400 backlinks from 507 different domains. And so we can take a closer look at your backlinks. You want to not only beat out your competition with the quantity of backlinks, but with the quality as well. So you can go through your own backlink profile and make sure that all of the backlinks you have are from relevant sites and have a high authority score. Now, I would suggest going through your own backlinks. You can go through your competitors' backlinks, and then you can click on each individual one and see if you can have your website added to the pages that they are linked to that you are not. And so you can go through all of your competitors' backlinks and try and build a stronger backlink profile. And so to go over right now you have around 3,800 people finding you organically, but you should be able to at least double that if you incorporate the 3 things that I spoke about in this video into your online marketing plan, which, to recap, number 1, you want more quality educational content with the right keywords. Number 2, more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, you want to go through the backlink profile you have now and add on more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.